Hello friends, welcome to Flutter Agency. Today we are going to see how to integrate Google authentication in Android with Flutter. So this video is divided into three parts. First of all, we will see how to set up the Firebase project for Google authentication. After that, we will import the Google sign-in plugin, and after that we will integrate the plugin with UI. So first of all, go to the Firebase console, click on the new project, give the project whatever the name you would like. After that you will see a dashboard like this. Click on the Android button, and you need to fill this form in order to create the Android app in your Firebase console. So first of all, it requires a package name. To get the package name, go to this path and copy this line and paste that. To enable the Google sign-in, you have to paste the SHA-1 key generated from your computer. To get that SHA-1 key, run this command, and you will see the SHA-1 key like below. Copy that and paste that and continue with your Firebase project in setup. In next step, you have to download this JSON file and place this under the app folder of Android. Continue with the process of setting up Firebase project. Now you have to copy some lines and change your build.gradle. After following the instructions of Firebase console, your build.gradle should look like this, and your apps build.gradle should look like this. Continue with the process and skip every steps after that. Don't forget to enable the Google Auth in authentication. Now we have successfully set up our Firebase project. Now go to your boxpack.yaml and import the Google sign-in plugin. Go to your UI and create two variables, one to know whether user is logged in or not, and another Google sign-in object to perform the sign-in and sign-out operation. Create a Google sign-in button, and on the press of that, call the Google sign-in method. Your button should look like this. In Google sign-in method, you are just calling Google sign-in.sign-in method. After user is logged in, if you want to show the logged in user's detail, use the Google sign-in.current user to get the details of logged in user. To show the details, your UI should look like this. Create a Google sign-out button. On the press of that, call sign-out method. In sign-out method, you just have to call Google sign-in.sign-out method. That's it, friends. Today we saw how to integrate Google authentication in Android with Flutter. In next video, we will see how to integrate Facebook authentication in Android with Flutter. So please subscribe for more great videos about Flutter. Bye.